Why won't my child stop coughing at night? A child's cough is often the first sign that something is wrong. If your child is coughing at night, it may be due to a cold, the flu, or allergies. While most coughs will go away on their own, there are some things you can do to help your child feel better and get some relief. If your child's cough is due to a cold or the flu, there are over-the-counter medications that can help. These include cough suppressants and expectorants. Be sure to read the labels carefully and follow the directions. You should also have your child drink plenty of fluids to help loosen mucus and make it easier to cough up. A humidifier can also help by adding moisture to the air and making breathing easier for your child. Anything I can do to help my child stop coughing at night? There are a few things you can do to help your child stop coughing at night. One is to make sure they are taking their medication as prescribed. If they are not, talk to their doctor about adjusting the dosage. Another is to have them sleep with a humidifier in their room. This will help keep their throat moist and hopefully reduce the coughing. Finally, try elevating their head when they sleep by putting pillows under their head and shoulders. This will help prevent mucus from draining into their lungs and causing them to cough. What could be causing my child's cough that won't go away at night? The cough is a common symptom of many childhood illnesses, but it can also be a sign of something more serious. If your child is coughing at night, it could be a sign of asthma or another respiratory condition. If the cough is accompanied by other symptoms like trouble breathing, wheezing, or chest pain, you should take your child to the doctor right away. Nighttime coughing can also disrupt your child's sleep and yours, so it's important to find out what's causing the problem and get treatment if necessary. Herb mendicant, a safe and effective way to stop children's coughs? Herbal medicine has been used to treat various ailments for centuries. One of the most common herbs used is thyme. Thyme is a member of the mint family and has a long history of medicinal use. The ancient Egyptians used thyme for embalming, while the Greeks used it as incense. In medieval Europe, thyme was burned to purify homes and hospitals, and was also used to treat coughs and colds. There are many different ways to prepare thyme for medicinal use. It can be taken as tea, tincture, or capsules. It can also be applied topically as an ointment or cream. Thyme is thought to be a safe and effective way to stop children's coughs because it contains the compound thyme. Thyme is an antimicrobial agent that kills bacteria and fungi. Thyme is an antimicrobial agent that kills bacteria and fungi. It has been used for centuries as a natural disinfectant and preservative. Thyme is found in many household cleaners and disinfectants, as well as in mouthwashes and throat lozenges. A recent study found that thymol can also help to ease coughs and improve respiratory function. If you're looking for a more natural way to soothe your cough, honey may be a good option. Honey has been used as a remedy for centuries, and it's thought to be effective in treating both dry and wet coughs. Plus, it's relatively safe for both adults and children above the age of 3. Honey has been used as a cough remedy for centuries, and for good reason. Numerous studies have shown that honey can be just as effective as over-the-counter cough medicines in relieving symptoms. One study found that honey was particularly effective in reducing coughing and promoting sleep. In the study, children ages 3 to 18 were given either honey or dextromethorphan, a common ingredient in cough suppressants, 30 minutes before bedtime. The children who took honey coughed less during the night and slept more soundly than those who took the medication. If your child has a dry cough, you may want to try inhalation. This involves using a humidifier or taking your child into a steamy bathroom for a few minutes. You can also try giving your child warm fluids to drink, like soup or warm apple juice. If your child's cough is keeping him or her up at night, you may want to talk to your pediatrician about possible treatments. In conclusion, if your child is coughing at night and it is preventing them from sleeping, you should take them to the doctor. There are many potential causes of a cough, some of which are more serious than others. A doctor will be able to determine the cause of the cough and prescribe the appropriate treatment. Drinking plenty of fluids during the day to help to thin out mucus and make it easier for them to cough it up. Take a hot shower before bed, which can help to loosen mucus as well. Finally, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.